Be by your side. Very, very many thanks to Coach Mike. Salamat po. Salamat sa pagtulong. Salamat. Death to us part. Yes, baby, I'm feeling all through your life. I'll be by your side. Death do us part. Excuse me, kaso nito. Sa mga ayaw na kailangan namin. Making his day of the year. Mag-isa. If my love won't you please be tonight and miss you live with you another time. Maybe when we meet again some other time, and I'm sorry can't be with you tonight. If I want hold you. Doon na tayo sa kabila. Nakikita kasi nga ang chart. Tonight, yes, there is so please understand my situation. I love you, but I can't be with you. I love you. I love you. Ay, ako, pasensya na ako, malulubat na pala, kaya pala nagre-reconnect. Lubat na pala, kaya pala nagre-reconnecting. Diyos ko, hindi ko pala Coach Mike, I'm very happy na wakas nakapag-ano rin po kayo. Inabangan ko po yung mga ano nyo. Salamat po kay Coach Mike, kay one bar na lang, Diyos ko, hindi ko napansin na. Sino pa ba nandyan?